Welcome back, everybody. So I got a box in the mail. It is from a subscriber out there, Laura G. from Ada, Michigan. Laura, thank you very much. I'm very excited to open this. From Laura's email, she did say it would be something that might be good to go in my witch's cabinet that I got from the Goodwill. It's still pending its makeover. Got to work on that. I'm not sure if I'm going to get to that this year. Just today, I've been working on my ticket booth for my haunted cinema. So I got the top of the front done. So kind of excited about that. So this is a project that's taken me a long time. So I'm not sure when I'm ever going to get to this. But hopefully I'll get it soon because now I have something to put in it. So let's go ahead and open up the box and see what it is. All right. First thing we've got here is a little note. It reads, "Dear Mike, thank you for creating such fun videos. I love to see what you find at Goodwill. During the lockdown, I started making spiders to give away for family and friends. I hope you enjoy these. Laura G." She includes a pronunciation. I'm not sure if she wants me to say it though, so I'm not going to, but it's Laura G. And here we go. Wow. Okay. There's 3 of them in here. And let's just pull this out. Look at that. It is a little bead spider. It's kind of hard to see there in the video, so I will pull the camera in a little bit closer. But I've got one here that looks like it's kind of purple and black and green and orange. We've got another one here that is kind of red and purple with some silver. And then the last one, this one's got a black body with some green in it. Oh, Laura, these are so cool. I can't even decide which one is my favorite, but I'm kind of leaning toward this little black-bodied one with kind of the green on the legs. It's really Halloweenish. They're all kind of Halloweenish, but I think something about the black that screams Halloween to me. So let's go ahead and add them. The first things from my little curio cabinet here. Hard to do that from this side, but there we go. Thank you once again, Laura. I love them. They're awesome. Very crafty and clever, so I wish I were that creative. Really appreciate it. So thank you. And I guess that'll do it for today. So stay tuned. You'll see more of these guys hopefully in my haunt this year. And we'll get through some more videos before we get to Halloween. Store walkthroughs, DIYs, product reviews, fun gifts. So thanks a lot, guys. Take care. Happy haunting.